Being single for me, it's being grounded, being fulfilled. That this is who I am. This is what I will share in the world. But at the same time din po, somehow I'm hoping na someday I'll meet the one, the one na in-appoint ng Lord. Pero hindi na siya yung parang mamamatay kapag hindi mo siya makita. Hindi na po yung obsessive na Opo. To me, it's being single is being the arm of God sa mga tao around me, sa mga binigay niya sa aking tao to represent Him, to give them grace. Every time na nag-help po ako sa mga tao, nakikita ko rin a portion of myself na parang na-heal din po ako. I'm trying to sow healing in the hope na mag-reap ako in the future and mag-reap ang body of Christ. So, it's very exciting for me to learn every time. At the same time, yun po, yung longing din. Kaya mong i-hold yung longing na hindi ka na-shake. Kaya mong i-hold yung longing na hindi ka magde-decide impulsively in a way na i-regret.